na makacho say yen sem no do so nti ye be connentem yet me akova nyame ya doma abru yi obika ejebo wanya bedu nyame ya doma Saturday na NPP ebe decide no ma hwe 5 no nipa ba kwa won be you know o me say obvious say nyina yenim de ebe kode de so wo to wie a na afi ye hu say de ya dwene ye na no mo de ba na of which Ghana for do na nim say no na be ba so na o hwa Gyamfi ahodo a abebabu na enya asem keto akora we to na we yato o hwa Gyamfi ane de aye ne Ivan adi hu nkomwa na no de aba betom a chese na podi abe say asem no kora ene say was so no watena cabinet for 7.5 years ohu obi onim nyansa yes market chamber unia yes ono amukura no de naka ho so be ne de na do na amukura na mi se na ensheda yisa nyem na poneka na Tim Kennedy so say ebe suicide e de ama NPP so on beteni ye Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia so both fashions no obia to mane ne yonko I think Eugene is it Eugene Okay. Or say nyansa bia nim say omode eye Bawumia be for the second time. I think obia na Saturday. What expectation any day akeka bomu abai?
Yeah, I think I'm not expecting much. And my culture is multi-party democracy. The bia ye nyina empire ne se betimi deepen ama institutions of democracy, vehicles of democracy, a bit very active. Na ma atimi streamline your democracy because otu anywhere sub-region. Now has a countries are swapping democratic rule with coup d'etat and as a format. It shows a basic trust and confidence Africans a democratic institution conform. So in an internal elections like this, you expect to say you bet me a once again, you bet me a deep in confidence and trust. You bet me a democracy general. But unfortunately, no, my culture as a MPP as a political party, there be our man for free, be our Canada. But they see it is our job, it is our duty because political parties are public institutions. You can't say, I am a party, and if I question could ask now, no bush for home, a public property. Be our whole council come because Ochina, it can be a government a bit me your mind so with your mind so be mind your money me know your future is on the line. It is incumbent upon us so whatever that happens near can one political party lose power their face as and come transition into a reconciliation phase they decided to abandon it. The bottom-up approach, as or more years, me patch up differences, some misunderstanding among party people, they jump over it. The party became so much fixated on Gyamfi Obi making a candidate. That was the only thing. So any other thing pointed to that particular agenda, they will sweep it over, even if that particular thing will destroy the party. So the previous leadership of Bawumia Campaign, they didn't want to change them. They retained them. They will be in their various position of influence, making sure that we elect Bawumia before they leave. Very undemocratic because you see, party no one in internal structures you may have the right to do that, but the thing is how well have you been able to reorganize the party? Because political reorganization has its own template. And around the world, it has always been from the base up to the top. By the time I drew top and elected leader, you've been able to unite the party around a common goal. And whoever becomes the party head, will be able to drag everybody along. But the very moment you start from the top, it will degenerate into faction. And it's exactly what is happening. So, what MPP has been lacking ever since they came to opposition, even when they were in power, leadership. The party has suffered leadership crisis because you don't see any person on the making decisions. I'll bet him the see for a party way. This is the direction. Obia a boss on his own. I will be a the upper. Obia to me to man obi. There is no discipline. There is no order. The whole thing has turned out to be very chaotic, and it's the reason why a campaign so I take that particular dimension. I'm for it to go. And for me, I think that Akufo Addo be president of Ghana. he did not only destroy Ghana, but he also destroyed the party NPP, because the party has become so aggressive and hostile even to common sense and reasoning. Obi over Kenyans as a they see you as an enemy. Quite recently, Professor Frimpong Watson by of a kind there, and some na all kind say we a narrow-minded individual. You might think that or say party no your fake party, and the unconquered original no inja fake into her. But some na all kind and yes, I don't know patchere. Or patch a party what deviated from the core tenant, the core values, the principles. Yeah, the party now or no party now has sharply deviated away from all these principles, pursuing a certain narrow parochial interest. Toward encophobia agenda, and for him, he doesn't see say party no more agenda no more no. That is the party that is playing now. Nipana can't say we now there are several ways you go about this, but the general secretary was supposed to be the CEO, met him with aggression and hostility immediately after he issued statement on Asempa and other platform talking nonsense. You understand? That shall say party there is no room for reconciliation, and then they become so aggressive and hostile to common sense. Will be about sorry. I'll bet you to the contrary, and they'll come after you. And for me, that is quite unfortunate. And who be a candidate anymore? Like I said, Sanya Bibina. And these characters masquerading on the front lines, seeking to lead the NPP. Tell me which of them is credible. The only person I can pick and say, Ato there, he is the person who can lead the party devoid of any other thing. Kwabena Agyapong. Because he has proven to be a person of high integrity. Yes, you may have his issues related to Nema Akoto in Western past, but Obianka betimi ahe say nipa we dey anya in terms of character and personality there or but you see party ni nanwe no ho kura da say Kwabena Agyapong is an alternative. And it's the reason why these people and Kennedy Agyapong of all people can tell Ghana for so no president Eddie. And when you go to his past, Nema Kennedy Agyapong ero kroma say and some what Net TV is waka ayi ma draws name and ma panties na so for ene ma eye we and quickly no addressing her up pretending to be a nice guy wanting to be president. Now if a presidency ni a joke and now if a growing a yedi presidency no fit say sabi abam for to the stand say anybody at all and then some cheap language be abaka ho say owo ni sika na wabɔ ne bra na wo na video bi be say ohiani ona makra odidi me enra kwa ni fie ba bi na ni giage. So this nonsense of wabɔ ne bra na wasisi adan no in governance, in politics, that nonsense don't play out. Because when I was sick out to Vietnam's war, you don't feed no one. Or here you know Okroman or Didi. We are talking about governance, politics, leadership, where sensible men with the right attitude and conviction will be put to power. And we know I said. Wa born bra wa toto adan na enra ba bia medan wona ma medan dem ba bia wo da wona ma adan dem on the 2 school fees amount. So this nonsense are things I don't know where it is coming from, you understand? Or no Kennedy Agyapong would have been a perfect person for this country, but unfortunately for him no was say no that because Ghana for naturally no you pobi or strong like Rawlings, because Rawlings has been one of my favorite presidents. Me I want strong people you can exert authority and power influence over your friends said so Kennedy Agyapong would have fit the bill. But one was saying that because Niamana Braba Wabo in the past, are highly unpresidential. And he been banding around say, of a president the credibility of the presidency. And then they talk about industrialization or why be a new Nikrom Asante Bediatuo no factories do say this why no be a when he did not contest the election, the next election they even lost. He has been an MP for that particular place for how many years? I think Owusu na what me be factory ni nyuma ma manfo bia nya bia ye no nka okodo nka ne krom fodo mo ani beto oba e wo bia nyuma ma nya bia ye. He lost, the party lost that particular seat to NDC. We will be aware badwem ma na wo politics as na wo analyze here e kire de e kire what I say. So you see party ni na tetia pansam e na ba beduru bia ba beduru Brian Champo on the other side and now no so wanya sika nti ono so for be president ayawa so West Wagon your friend say nema na see no fresh on our mind, very fresh. No committee of inquiry committee no motie no crack say ye rebuke ni na se for them. The president trashed the white paper. It got to a critical time Ghana for near break Akufo Addo mamu say your man no perform no or ti gina so beto a hotel na sabi wo obi a sabi wo ni da ho na wadwe mu da ho na wote politics ase na yafa efie niam na ye adwuma at this tip of a na Ghana for namuno and we have cabinet minister and then about hotel. You should be the last person to do that. It's just a common sense and to the idea you can rely on your leader to display so such person you cannot trust such person with leadership. You understand? Then Bawumia or no candidates here at Nebaye or on the CV that will be actually the CV are quite clear, yeah. Or catch us economic desire, no ye press conferences, no ye we no ye selling abstract and unrealistic economic ideas to the people of this country. He got the opportunity. I don't know he messed up big time. Now no man no better na make can say muni say or no ever sponsor Christopher Momako Israel. Na obi a Owusu election in that embarrassing manner. What bring up ideas. I bet me aboa maya yedi o maya see ya. You are telling people so before Christopher and Cramoford the cry we are even saying that we should stop and use that particular money to support young people in Zongo communities, give them job opportunities to do. What for large that would not quite 3 days 1 week and buy a comment on your Juma and Yansabe in the womb. And these are some of the realistic things that we need to face. That you are telling us over Christopher look at the Christian population. Israel free take it Ghana government or buyer and then the whole Ghana will be the Catholic population in Ghana now but Methodist Pentecost and as for can the state afford or foot this particular bill to what means or more corner what I say and for me I think that it's quite problematic. We live in a country we don't pay attention to the mindset of leaders. And very often not things around the career way when you see can school certificate, but when it comes to say this is a candidate after one messing up this country, even the right person to choose as a running mate to choose the papa. Oh, now a branch of Annan by Afenyo say NAPO kasa akronim kasa and I make say on next elections or no model baba or man on Kojo sign language no find the campaign. And never buano, and no, ha, and nipa here, down so back. No, sign language, I'm 40. Now, Nipa no bien and no but 2 million votes, no better 1 million votes. What is the point? Anytime you be bien and no be out vote, wom. Now, no, if it's a DBS or Jira campaign and some of Kokaye. Say cabinet, no, Nimsen, Nibia was apart from Bawumia. Akra keto akra deka ya top mo ahye ne nsam odi ne maame achi odi ne kosku beka asem we akra keto deka ni ya top mo ama na odi ne maame aso ne sa de twa kwan obeka asem we because asem na woka no you are insulting everybody but this is somebody exactly this is somebody who is okon minister. I'm told that he's a very hard working guy omon beka achi okon the various minister or here adwuma me say we very often get confused. We are so be out the only and you'll be out because Omomudi no one dances so called the ministry as a form you'll be very disciplined. The person I'm making you or yeah Juman Kasa or yeah Juman say or yeah Juman school just say he's very good. So you will keep him at that particular place. On your presidential material, he's not somebody you bring close because the basic problem Kasa. And it's quite obvious. Yeah. Otum fojina the nim no ka chen say me na mate say yese ye fan say wo muade ne na se for na no ansi e na okoto bom mo kwa me nkroma no Bawumia ni ba na ho so na wate 2 million vote ato agu ahomate na mo so nwan ne nkokọ ye fan say nkrofo kwapa chaw. So you can imagine some of these. So for me I think say President Sirina say F4 amanfo me nim how people see it. But from where I sit I see a certain veil of respect in the aura be around the presidency. I think that the occupants, must reflect the office. Not anybody, in terms of intelligence, in terms of reasoning, in terms of temperament, in terms of everything. But these people lack in all aspects. All aspects. I wouldn't mean the candidate who wait in one dance here. And this Obeka said the NPP today has become a fake political party. That is the reason why. Because the normal person among the candidates, they don't even see him. Yeah. Because Kwabena Agyapong should have been the default candidate of the NPP, considering all that has happened. But they don't even see him. I do trim the man can say because he's just part of the race. But catch us, oh no,
for running mate.
He's a nice guy, but oh no, Pentecost of because oh no, he's a preacher. The president. And I don't know the power or that. Running mate for the
one we need
but oh no, race in as for that he should be out of it because there is nothing presidential about him. Or he's a nice person. I think Bible oh, he's a very nice person. So for me, I think Kwabena Agyapong should have been the obvious. But Enam says Sikane as for Dini Panimintino. They don't even see. So today the contest has shifted between Bawumia and Kennedy. Kennedy already was saying no. This is a guy who dedicated TV program or to manner software and as a form exposed to oh Nyankopon me when but also yeah fans who exposed to free yame. Today we will see him in the various churches and the prophets and as a form and the hypocrites are there then what I say. So I want to look at people, believe in them, what they say, what they do at any point in time. There should be that line of consistency. You cannot elect president and Bufua and Obi Otibo and so and our minor create that Tibitum. Kennedy Agyapong video is circulating or threatens or not. Mahama, he insulted the president who Edina Tamkachi and say, on Bassena dying, Aquaquashe. This is a guy who cannot even control himself. You see, such childish temperament, and you want to be president? Now, president, no way your provocation will be from a bini. Akufo Addo of all people be the president. Who will never man for the firm, and then the social media and as a for account. So you cannot trust such people with power. Yeah, it will be very dangerous. My culture say, amen. Somebody who is not wise with political power, no, you endanger that particular person, and you endanger the state. Because at the end of the day, you are just weaponizing him against everybody. Because everything is at his disposal. And I'm saying, all to me, exercise basic instinct, common sense, reason, and logic, you know. Or mine a jabetum. So I think that Ghana politics and will be a track on a co-jam. If we are not careful, young people will lose trust in your first say democracy, and we may reverse, we may go back to where we came from. Because I am a Hunu and I cost our rollins in the Bufu or my no. You are not careful. We should not think say we are above there. Nema air cost because NPP and there is not an alternative for Ghana for looking at. No. And unfortunately, they don't even see it. This thing they call contest, you know, people see it as a joke. Because if you look at the characters who are leading this whole thing, it doesn't inspire. Now, besides Ghana, we are in a way, and maybe bedroom we have a tamashes Akufo wins a beam. Considering all that we've gone through. And it's not as if said the course or my muhanom. These people were not part of. They were part of it. Kennedy Agyapong say, "Oh my friend and Ajo, NPP announce quiet no NPP for friend and almost one so could in Sebunu. And this is a president who can be used. This is somebody who can be told what to do to go and destroy somebody, and he will accept to go and destroy the person. Today we just have a president. Now if he say Yahuri and Nimkoyechi. And the people are around saying, "Oh, you're tough, oh, you're tough." And I'm watching Jatama Tana Flasta House and Jatana and hoarding. I think we need to get serious in this country, So for me, I think NPP is getting what they deserve. But the Akufo Addo. Ko party na wase na titina pansam no. The values, principles are the core values NPP is noted for no. Eni hobiam. Enti aburuburu ya efie no mpanifo mo wom nyina wu. And the omoti ase no nso no yase so mu nyina ade akosi mfikyira to moto agu. So from pom waten na outsider. Nyahota makro outsider. Kofuo outsider. That America one friend is saying Atta Kennedy outsider and several other people outsiders. So panyini be na etu nipa fo e party no. Enti ubetina abronya nam ha, ubetina chama wuntumi nam ha, ubetina general secretary nam radio la ta. Ubetina we nam ha. Party no, there is no decency, no dignity. The MPP growing up, this is not the MPP. And to be said, dear bang, alternative no more far. Considering the base of Mahamadu Bawumia, Ghana will break away and say the opposition is viable. It's young for power and shining some. And again, my culture is a way a political party. You do not only appeal to your base. Because the NDC and NPP, being who between the core supporters are winning elections in Ghana, always come down to the middle people. I was a candidate now, what never know. say obi chado university obi a nurse ni obi a doctor ni a would they see that person as a credible candidate or better to media said any answer ubisa hold that question na winya answer that is why you go for that particular candidate. So yeah, for me there are things there it is what it is. The die is cast. The NPP do more power no more because this is the party that this is what they wanted to reduce the party to become. They've gotten it. And going forward, now whatever happens, yeah, it's up to them. But I'm not sure, say, looking at the track record, the candidate they are projecting and where Ghana is today, I'm not ready to say Ghanaians are ready for this comic show, this nonsense. Ghanaians are not ready. Even in opposition in parliament, look at how they are messing up. And in some of Moka, we live in a country. Opposition by a press conference. Now, Adebachina social media attacking the press conference in the boom. On the day. It shows that something is wrong somewhere. And they are so arrogant, they are not ready to sit down to look at what that particular thing is. Just running around as if everything is. Now, so for me, I think whatever be the outcome of this election, I just hope violence be uncovered. Because we saw the macho man we saw on Tiasie, we saw on Yesi, election in to your crapata characterizing attempted na mabo na meku na me na thank you talk ended up to be I will kill you talk. Okay. They are not so how much more? So how much more this particular one? So I'll urge the IGP in the team. So they should be active on the ground. And that is the best thing that will happen to us.
All right.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.